Oh, Mona. Oh my god. OMG, you're so in love with me.
Every time I see you in video call, you make me smile. How about you? When you see my pretty face.
Yeah, you make me smile too.
Wow, thank you. I make you smile and you make me smile. Everyone must be happy.
Everyone's happy.
Yeah. Very good relationship for you happy, I am happy, and everyone is happy. Now, my question now. Do you want us to back in relationship? Yes or no, or we will be forever friend?
Yes, but you'll have to block Blaze.
What?
Yes, but you'll have to block Blaze.
What? Yes, you must complete your answer.
Yes, come back to me, but you have to block Blaze.
Come back to me. Sana all. You cannot say, Angie, I will come back to you. Rather, I will come back to you. Oh my God, Tom.
Hold on.
Okay, tanga. Eto ako. Kung talagang gumagana ang mga sabon at gamot ninyo, ako ang pagandahin nyo. Hindi maganda, pinapaganda nyo pa. Abnormal.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa kasabihang nakamamatay ang inggit. Tignan mo nga ikaw, hanggang ngayon, buhay na buhay pa rin.
I promise, Maddie, I'll change, I'll grow, I'll be better. I don't listen to you, but I love you. Please, when I go to college, move with me, marry me, have my babies.
Saan na naman ang punta ninyo? Maglalakwatsa na naman kayo. Panay-panay na naman ang paglalagay ninyo sa kolorite, magpabango, panay ang arrange sa muka. Ganado talagang itsura ninyo pag maglalakwatsa kayo. Hindi talaga kayo nag-iisip. Maganda lang kayo tignan, mabango tignan. Pero tignan mo ang loob ng bahay. Nang gigitatak. Paglakwatsa talaga sobrang arte. Napakasosyalin tignan. Pero sa loob ng bahay
Nung 16 ako, ang sabi ko, ang gusto ko mapangasawa yung matangkad, magandang lalaki, masarap umalik, mayaman at saka mabait. Tapos, nung 21 ako, ang sabi ko, kahit hindi matangkad, basta magandang lalaki, masarap umalik, mayaman at saka mabait. Natural, nung 25 ako, ang sabi ko, kahit hindi matangkad, hindi magandang lalaki, basta etc. Eh, ngayong 29 na ako, basta mabait.
Ayun nga palang prutas, labas mo na rin.
Yung binili niyo po, sir?
Ubus na ba yung ninakaw ko? Kasi mas matamis yun eh. Kung ubus na, sige, kahit yung binili ko na lang. Sige, pakikuha mo na, please. Yung pamangkin ko, tulog pa ba? Sabihin mo kakain na.
Gigisingin ko pa po, sir?
Wag na! Pakakain natin ng tulog. Ha? Tignan natin kung makakanguya siya. Pambihira kasi. Nakita ba ko ng oras ng dumating? Alas 4 na madaling araw. Gumimik kasi kasama ng barkada.
Nakita niyo po, sir?
Ay, hindi! Gawa-gawa ko lang yon, katang isip lang. May kang gumawa ng storya, may kang gumawa ng chismis. Mamaya nga, lalabas ako doon. Sabi ko sa mga kapitbahay, yung kasambahay ko, ay tinanggal ko na kasi atribida eh.
Kayo naman talaga, sir. Masyadong mapagbiro.
Ay, nako, eto ang mas nakakatawang joke. Dahil sa bilis ng pick-up mo at galing mong magsilbi, tataasan ko ang sweldo mo at ikaw na ang magiging amo. Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa'yo, ha?
छोड़े दे हाय लागे
ko, ang gusto ko mapangasawa yung matangkad, magandang lalaki, masarap pumalik, mayaman at saka mabait. Tapos, nung 21 ako, ang sabi ko, kahit hindi matangkad, basta magandang lalaki, masarap pumalik, mayaman at saka mabait. Natural, nung 25 ako, ang sabi ko, kahit hindi matangkad, hindi magandang lalaki, basta etc. Eh, ngayong 29 na ako. Basta mabait.
Pala yung babae ng asawa ko. Sorry, pero hindi ako yung babae. Nagpakasal kami, kayo hindi.
Paano kayo papakasal? Nagpakasal na kayo. Tama-tama ka rin eh. Puro ganda lang to.
Mahalin nyo yung trabaho nyo. Learn your craft. Hindi porke nakasalang na kayo, kala nyo magaling na kayo. Kahit kayo magaling, hindi yun ang nagtatagal. You have to improve your craft. Respect not just the famous ones, not just the popular big-time names. Respect everyone that you're working with. Because everyone is putting in something.
I got my nose done. I got my nose done in 2020. So you know, like when you get your nose done, it takes like 3 years to heal. So like my face was swollen for a hot minute, like my nose was like kind of changing. But like a lot of people, I don't give a fuck yeah. I'm gonna say it. A lot of people think that I got like work done right here because my eyebrows were like this. My eyebrows go this. But what people don't know is I shave half my eyebrows. Because my eyebrows are naturally right here and they go down like a sandpage drawer. So I shave them, then I like what's it, a micro needle them, and I it's just always.
I'm sure everybody feels that way. Just always feel like you're just not good enough. You're not good enough. The steps. You're not good enough in the movie. You're not good enough as a partner, as a mother, as all of the things. And all you want to do is be the best at all those things. And it's just hard.
Every time I see you in video call, you make me smile. How about you? When you see my pretty face.
Yeah, you make me smile too.
Wow!
I don't understand when people say love is more important than money. Have you ever tried paying your bills with a hug?
Sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione che cresce piano